Namaskar. This is the day is very special for all the women. We both are here to wish you all very happy International Women's Day. Here I am, Alka Manoj, BJP leader and international fashion designer.
Namaste everyone, I'm Janvi Bajaj, Mrs. India 2018-19. Happy International Women's Day to one and all. Please keep smiling ladies and take good care of yourselves. So we are here to talk on this special day for all of us.
Yes. Yeah. Janvi, you tell me that you had any problem because of being a woman to achieve your crown?
I think Alka, if I think if you, this question we will ask anybody, we will say yes, because this is what is the thing which is going on everywhere, that you have to pay. Maybe few people have to pay little or few people have to pay more, but we have to go through some or the other thing being a woman, because there are few people in the society who cannot see a woman getting success. We That is the reason we take time to accept it. So I think this is with everybody.
Yes,
Everybody has faced
yes.
it.
Everybody in each and every sector.
Yeah.
Even at home,
Yes.
even for the housewife also,
Yeah.
and working women in whichever field they are working, they have struggled even in their workplace. Even me being in fashion, I had lots of struggle, and but I never gave up. I just kept going and kept doing my work. So that's the reason you're seeing us being so successful. And she's also a very successful woman, and she's a very special woman for us.
But there is a lot of struggle behind every successful woman. So
Yes, yeah,
yes,
that's absolutely true. So, I have seen few women, they came to become something, but because of the, harassment there and all, they could not do it. Especially in the movie field, I have seen, one girl was there, she's really beautiful, she's very talented. But what things is happening in that field? She signed one movie, but she could not complete it because she didn't like the environment. So she came back and now she is doing her masters. I believe she would have completed now, and she wants to have normal life. Normal life means in that also she will be successful because she is doing masters. Not that field, but here she will achieve it, and she is a very hard worker. So never give up that this field is not working, no problem. So many fields are there now, you can choose. So many opportunities are there
yeah,
where
but
you
why
can do.
not the field which she wanted? That was her first priority. Working in the movie was her first priority. Yes, she had to adjust and she has to compromise doing her MBA rather than going for her movies. Why? Why can't a woman do what she wants to do? Yes, we know that we have also gone through a lot of struggle, and we are here because we fought for ourselves, and we were headstrong that we have to do it, maybe little late or whenever, but we
Yes.
had to be, we have to be headstrong.
Yes,
Rather
that's
than
absolutely
pleasing
true.
people. ये क्या बोलेगा, वो क्या बोलेगा, I
Yes.
have seen, I have met so many ladies, and like your friends, like you keep on talking about normal things, and this is the bottom line. अगर मैंने ये किया तो वो क्या बोलेगा, अगर मैंने ये किया तो ये क्या बोलेगा. So that means we are pleasing other people, not us. Ladies, I think you cannot pour from an empty cup. You cannot give happiness to others till
Yes.
you are happy. So keep yourself happy first. Automatically you will keep the surrounding happy. So please take care of this and think about that and take care of yourself and your happiness. Right?
Yes, yeah, that's absolutely
Yeah.
true, Janvi.
Yeah.
I have come through one more lady. Uh, she is in government job, and she got married to somebody her own because she doesn't have father. So in that time, she thought this is the right step she is taking, but she couldn't live with that man. She had to get separated, and before that, she got interacted with another man who helped her to come out from that
Mess, yeah.
mess, but again, she again fell in another mess, and then again she is out of that marriage also. And that guy who helped her to come out from that guy, he made her to get suspended from the government job. So I felt really very bad. What's happening in the society? I'm like, I'm just not able to
But
understand.
there are thousands of other cases, Alka. People don't come out and talk in public about their problems.
Yes.
Like, maybe two people spoke to you, but there
Yeah.
are thousands of ladies who don't want to talk about their problems or what they are
Yes.
going through.
Yeah.
Because when you go out and you discuss about your problems, people start pointing on you. Hey, see, this lady, she left her husband. She ran away. This is a second marriage. This is how
Yeah.
people talk, and especially ladies. So nowadays, it has become less, but ladies are only pulling
Yes,
each
absolutely,
other down.
absolutely, Janvi. That's what
Yeah,
here we request all the women
yeah,
to value yourself and value others also surrounding in your area, whosoever you
Yeah.
meet with, your friends with, or they are your relative, they are your daughter, anybody. If women stands for another woman, she's also achieving and she's making another
like we
woman
are there
also.
for each
Yes.
other always.
Yeah, like that.
We always try to uplift each other because
Yes.
she is there to, she always praises me, I always praise her, and we are always there for each other to help each other, or whatever is going on in society also, we are there for to help other people also. So ladies, I feel that a real queen fixes each other's crown. They don't
Yes.
pull each other down, and there is too much of jealousy. But I have learned that if you share your knowledge, if you share your whatever knowledge you have with other people, it will increase, it will not decrease. But when we see our competitor or our friends doing something good in life, we you always tend to talk bad about that person. So I think we should stop doing that, because we should not blame men. We should, like,
Yes.
yes, they are sometimes, few men are there who do that, but I think there are more ladies who have problem with other growing ladies. So I have faced it myself. So I think we should fix each other crown and be a real queen.
Yes, absolutely
Yeah.
true. Here, like, we just do not praise each other. We praise each other's work.
Yeah,
The
that is
kind
what,
of work Janvi is doing, it's really amazing. She is helping so many women. And, whenever I call her for any program, she's available. She makes sure, she should come, whether it's in the slum or anywhere she comes. She doesn't think that, because I'm a crown holder, so I will not go to slum. No, she comes, and we here empower women. We build them. We give them strength, giving them, uh, you know, our energy. We just speak to them. No, you can do it, and this is nothing. This will not stop you to go high. So like this, we work. And several cases I have seen, several cases where mostly the women only is putting down to women. So I feel now, like it should change. We never get time to, think about somebody else and talk about somebody else, because we are so busy in building others. And mostly I concentrate on building women, child, so they will have the better future and they will be strong. In this way we can build our house, our society, our nation. If all the women is strong and they are achieving their goals, they are able to do the highest things, see, our nation will go to such a high level. So this is what, all the time I really appreciate Modi ji. He's doing so many things for women, and we are here with him, supporting, taking care of all the work, whatever he says. So, uh, so many parties, even we have been there, and rather, giving the compliments, oh, that you have done, that's really amazing. They say, huh, she has done just like that. Somebody would have just called her. They don't see that, the kind of work we are doing it. That's the reason people are recognizing our work, and then they are calling us as a chief guest, or to felicitate us, or any other recognition to us. But like, if we talk and we appreciate each other, then the healthy relation we have, and then we can inspire others. Go ahead, we are here with you, and you can achieve it. This you have done, we are so proud of you, and I know you will go higher. You will take up higher position. Do not think that I do not face problem. I too face lots of problem, and maximum I face with women only. But I thought, no, I will do the next work, and I'll show them. And not in that way, in the competition way. I just kept doing my work. My work made their mouth shut.
Yeah,
No
because I
man.
think you should prove with your
Yes.
work only rather than talking a lot.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
What do they get? I do not know. Talking that, इसने
At
ऐसा
least
किया,
you are
उसने
happy and
वैसा किया.
satisfied.
Yeah, इसने ऐसा किया, उसने वैसा किया. So, like,
I think
those
we should
things.
we should rise above that.
Yes,
Rather than talking about other people, we should concentrate on our success and our
yes,
progress.
yes,
So I'm sure even it will help improving our country in this way. Like rather than pulling each other down, we should try to work on ourselves and rise. So
yes,
that is what we have started doing nowadays.
yes.
We are
Yeah.
only concentrating on ourselves, and we try to talk to other people and women. I'm sure from 100 people, at least even if 2 people listen to you and follow you, I think that is a great success for us.
Yes, like that. If like, one person builds another two women, and then that
Yeah.
2 women will go and build 4 women.
Yeah.
Like that, if we keep doing as a chain, our nation is built, and it will go very high, and all the women will be very strong. Even I have seen Janvi, still some this thing, uh, I just came across one family. The girl is very intelligent, very clever. She scores 98%. Can you imagine 98%? She's really amazing.
Yeah.
But uh, she's she was still studying, and her father fixed the marriage for her. And the moment I came to know, I was like, "What you're doing?" Then they said, "No, what she's going to do after
No, but I think
finishing
at
the
this point,
studies also."
the girl should take a stand and say, I don't want to get married.
Yeah, that's what
I
I
because
felt.
once you raise the voice, the problem is we don't raise the voice. So people are not
Yes.
used to us raising the voice. So
Yeah.
once we'll start used to, they will also get used to listening to our point of view on everything. Like, I don't think marriage is the solution for everything. Like, if you cannot let your daughter grow, how can you imagine and expect the family in which you are sending her will let her grow or will think about her happiness? So I think parents should think about this, that my daughter is settled in her career and she is happily earning and taking care of herself. She's not dependent on anybody. Then they should think about the marriage, because marriage comes later.
Yes,
The
absolutely true.
the kid is settled, that comes first, because this is what I've seen.
Yeah.
Even if something happens after marriage, at least the girl is capable of taking care of herself. She's not dependent.
Absolutely true.
Hmm.
I have seen, several women. When I just tell them, you do some courses when the government is giving you, free training and all, they will say, no, I have this work, that work, I cannot do it. But when, they have some problem with their husband has kicked out, or, or else the husband is expired, then they are just, so helpless. And then they come, you do something for us. How many days, who will feed? How many days I can feed to the people? So I just tell them, I'm giving you this training. You learn it, and you grow. You earn for your family by yourself, because no one knows what will happen tomorrow with whom. So all the women should be independent. They should not depend on anybody. And of course, now the trend has totally changed. It's not like olden days, marriage is first priority. No, I have seen all the women, maximum women, they are thinking, first they have to finish their education. After that, some professional course, whatever they want to do. And after that, they're going for good job. Even in good that job, once they are little settled, then they think of marriage. So that, gives them inner strength. If you are independent, you have inner strength, that you don't have to go and beg to somebody else, and you do not have to go and depend on somebody else. Just trust me. In the family, if the girl comes back from her husband's house to stay back, parents only will say, how many days you will stay?
Yeah.
And this is
Agreed.
the fact. This
Agreed.
is the fact. So that's what women, do not depend on anybody. In every situation there is, victory is there. So do not depend. Keep working. We also work. And Janvi, she being a crown holder, she being a Mrs. India, she does cleaning in her home when she doesn't have helper. She even washes her vessels. Everything she does. She does cooking. Do not think that she only wears the crown and she's available in the parties. No, she is not like that. She does everything. She takes care of her every responsibility. Her husband, her mother-in-law, her son, every responsibility she takes care. So we have to take up. It's not like that, because I'm a crown holder, so I'll be just like this. No, that again, will put you in another mess. Do not do that. Your family is very, very important.
First priority.
Yeah, you have to take care of your family. And even, I request the parents to support your daughter to grow higher. And for me, though I'm coming from highly educated family, my father was scientist, but for me to come to the fashion field was a very big struggle, because they all are engineers and doctors in my family. So me coming in the fashion was totally different thing for them. But I fought for it because I had passion to become something in the fashion field. So I'm doing it. So, you have to fight on every step, even in politics also. It's like everyday fight. It's not like yesterday I fought, 1 month before I fought. No, every day I fight in every situation, everywhere. So many women come to me and they, sit and cry in front of me. And I'll say, what, if you will cry like this, what I can do for you? I cannot do anything. I can help you
But
wherever
that
you
you
need.
also took a stand for yourself, now. Like you had a family of scientists and engineers, but you were not keen on doing that. So
Yes.
you did what you wanted to,
Yes,
what
of
you
course.
loved. So
Yes.
see that smile on your face, like
Yeah.
I'm a fashion designer. So
Yes.
you should not compromise on your career also. You should, it's not like a lady cannot do that, a lady should do this only, oh, this kind of job is not perfect for a girl. It's not like that. I think I have learned it from my son. Like, if you want to do something in life, you should do, like, you should love your job, because every day you just
Yes.
cannot go and earn money
Yes.
without loving the job. When you go, you do what you want, and when you come with a paycheck home, that is the amount which you will just love, earning. That, yes, I went, you will not even come to know that you are doing something outside. So just follow your passion, follow what you love, as she did. Because being a designer,
Yeah.
gives her that kick every day ki, okay, today I have to do this, today I have to do that. So you will
Yes.
feel satisfied at the end of
Yes.
the day. Your job should give you job satisfaction. So that really matters.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you are a inspiration for ladies who are just forced by their parents or their in-laws, whoever, like, no, no, I think you should do that. That, no, you should do what you want to.
Yes, of course. My father wanted me to
Yeah.
be the scientist or else do PhD in physics.
Yeah.
I was not able to understand physics at all.
Yeah.
So
you would have adjusted.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. At least he was asking, at least you become engineer. But I really had no interest in all those things. But on the right time, one lady, one of my auntie, my dad's friend's wife, she guided me. As you have so much of interest in doing the some embroidery work, I used to do it because I used to love it, the paintings and all. So she said there is a proper course for this. That is, I'm talking about 26 years before, where nobody was knowing what is a designer and all,
Yeah.
especially in Hyderabad. It was fashion was not known well. So she guided me and she got me the phone number and address for the institute, and she asked me to go and join. So it was very hard for me to convince my father. It was a shame for him that time. Me, I'm a scientist, and my daughter is going away in some normal field. He was just thinking. But when I picked up in the fashion, I started doing the fashion shows with Miss India's and all. He was really so happy.
Proud of you.
Yes, and he used to come and watch the show, and then he used to really hug me, and he used to tell me, "I'm so proud of you. You're doing so wonderful." And after that, friends, not only this, now for me achieving so much in the politics, being well known all over India with all the ministers in the center also, and doing so much of work for people. The people who were not talking to me from many years, they themselves contacting me, and they're saying, we want to see you, we want to meet you. See, what I have struggled.
That is what you don't have
Yeah.
to keep on proving yourself
Yes.
with words. Prove yourself with your efforts and your
Yeah,
work.
people will come back
That's
to
it.
you.
Yeah.
People will come back to you.
Yeah.
And now they hug me, they kiss me, they appreciate so much.
Yeah.
But now, even
That is success.
yeah, that is success. But sometimes I don't have time to take the hug. Also,
It's okay, but you feel good. That,
yes,
you
I
know, at
feel
least
so
they are there,
good.
yes.
Yes, of course,
Yeah.
definitely. Like when I just think of 26 years before, they used to, some women, like they used to say, "हाँ क्या किया इसने, tailoring तो किया है." They don't know what is fashion. So I used
But I
to
think
feel
we
bad.
can't blame them also, because at that
The
time
awareness was
the
not
thing,
there.
yeah, it
Yeah.
was like that. The fashion industry was not supposed to be. They never thought good about fashion industry. So I don't think we should blame them, because
Yes.
now it has become the poshest thing, poshest job which anybody could do. Like, I'm a fashion designer.
Yeah, and
So-
why it has picked up? Because we did not give up that
Yeah,
time,
right.
and we kept working. We kept working. So seeing our work, people started knowing what is the fashion, and then we got the proper recognition. So that's what, ladies, do not lose hope in any field you are. In every field, you can success. And I request all the parents, their help, their support is very, very important to make their daughter very successful. As my father and my brother supported me, so I could come up. And after I got married, every step my husband is there with me. Every step, he just stands with me as a pillar. And wherever something, some issues happens which I'm not aware of, because I'm busy with somebody taking their cases and all, working on that. He comes and he gives me the information, this has happened, so you have to speak on this. So he supports me in every way, each and every way. When we do not have helper also, even we divide our work, and some he does what he can do, some I do what I can do. So we do not leave it, no, just leave it, and we do not fight for it. We take up as a responsibility, this is our house, and we both have to work for it. Because if we will not work, who will work for us? We have to do it. So we both, we have understanding, we made it. We also had earlier fights, but we made it. No, if we will do like this, things will not work out. So we just share our work, and then he's my strong pillar for me everywhere.
We say like हर successful आदमी के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है, but she is an example in which we can say हर successful औरत के पीछे एक आदमी का हाथ होता है.
Yes.
It's not always a woman behind success of her husband. Nowadays, because of the husband, this is the reason for her success. So I think yes,
Yes.
time is changing.
Yes,
Yeah.
time is changing. I have seen, like men, while they are doing their work, they are really, interested in their wife, what she is doing,
Yeah.
and
Right
how
on.
they can support so
Yeah.
that their wife will be lifted up,
Yeah.
and she can achieve what she has to do it. So these things, if we, like we all come together and build each other, support each other, our society, our nation will change like
Yeah.
anything. We will be on very higher position around the globe. It's not only I'm talking about the few countries around the globe. So
Boon Boon Talab. Even if we try
yes,
to put little effort from all of us, then
yeah,
definitely our country will reach top.
yes. Everything starts from the
And I
home
think
only.
already we are doing well. India
Yes,
has really changed.
yes, yes,
Like, when I was 16 and now I can really see a very good change. Like, we
yes.
are roaming freely, we are going
Of course.
everywhere where we wanted to, no one stops us, and also
Yeah,
we know our limitations for sure. Yes, a lady should also know their limitations. It's
yeah,
not like, if no one is asking us anything, we are allowed to do everything. I think we should also draw a line somewhere so
of
that,
course. Yeah,
that is also
yeah,
necessary.
that line is very important, as I spoke about that girl that who came back from the movie field,
Yeah.
because she drew a line. She will not exceed this, she will not do any nonsense. She is an artist and she is there to perform her art and to show the world she is a good actress. But that did not work out for her. She came back and still she is in success line. Not in the movie but in another field she is doing well. So that's what you draw your line. Nobody can you know touch you and can do anything if you are strong. And even all the girls and women, I really request you to learn the karate. So
Martial arts,
yeah,
karate, anything, yeah.
yeah, to safeguard yourself, because some street guys and all, they do not have sense. So they talk anything rubbish, come to behave in any way. So, and when you're alone, so you can protect yourself. So these things are very important for each and every
Women
woman.
are always taken for granted somehow. I've always
Yeah,
seen, how can she say no? If I'm
of
asking
course.
him, how
Yeah,
can she say no?
yeah,
And why is she talking rudely? Like, I can never forget that Nirbhaya case in Delhi. I till today I get goosebumps thinking about that. That it was like, how did she say no? And this is the reason she was tortured to hell. And I think something like this should never happen.
yes.
Yeah. No
Even
one is
here,
allowed to touch a
yeah,
lady without her consent.
yes, that is what we are working for, and this is what we expect from all the women. you know Protect yourself and draw a line so that nobody should take advantage of you in any field, anywhere, no matter what. And if you're traveling alone, as Disha case, she just started from the office, and when she got attacked, like that time, it's very obvious. She will not think that she has to inform to her parents or something. It was very bad what happened, but it should not be repeated. And if that moment, little, if we can just we have so much of facility nowadays. So on the WhatsApp, if we can share the link,
We
the
should do
live,
our bit,
yeah, the live where you are,
Yeah.
so that your husband can track you, your parents can track you. That's always good for the safety for the women. That is very very important. And our Prime Minister Ji Modi ji is working a lot for the safety for the women. Even as the Minister of Home Affairs, Kishan Reddy sir, he's also working a lot, and we all are with them, to work for all the women and building our nation to grow very higher. And each and every woman should be very successful, and every woman should say that look, here I am. I'm standing for my nation. Like that it should be, rather than, especially for the women where they're pulled more at home. The sister-in-law will say something, mother-in-law will say something. If they appreciate their daughter-in-law and they say, yes, you are capable for this, you go ahead. I'm there with you. You see how they will achieve it. They will if they are able to do it 10 step, they will go 50 step if you appreciate her.
It's all
If
about
you,
supporting each
yes,
other. That's it.
if you stand with her, in that way we both support each other, and we both trying to build our nation, and we are trying to support other women. We keep doing some of the other work for the women, though she has not joined any political
But
party.
I think
But
for any kind of good work, you don't,
yeah,
even if you're not join any party,
yes,
you can just do your bit
yes,
from your side
yeah,
whenever you get time.
yeah.
Yeah.
So she always gives me time, and we go and we help people, we work for them. So I'm really Janvi, so proud of you. Again, I'm saying
Same here, Alka. You don't know, like, since we know each other, I think we have, reached where we wanted to, because
Yes.
you were also not in BJP and all.
Yeah, yeah.
I was planning for Mrs. India since ages, but it happened, gradually, and we
Yeah.
have seen that success together.
Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
you joined BJP. I did what I wanted to since 8 years, so we have done what we wanted to.
Yes.
Yeah.
We did not stop and we did not
And
give
we
up.
can see the happiness on our face.
Yes, we kept going. So this is what all the beautiful ladies, powerful ladies, do not give up, keep going. We are here to support you in every way. We stand with you, and
But first, you stand for yourself.
yes, if you stand,
Everybody else will
yeah,
follow.
yes, of
So
course.
first, we need to take a
Of
stand.
course, yeah.
Yeah.
When she stood for herself, now people are following her.
I'm not
No,
saying.
that's what. No, this is what, Janvi, because you stood for yourself and you worked to get the crown. You worked so hard to get the crown. Now, when you got the crown, then you see how many people are appreciating you so much, and they're, her timings are so hectic, like so busy she is. She has to go for this event, she's a chief guest, then again after that another event, she's a chief guest. So I'm so happy to see all these things, because she stood for herself.
Yeah.
And she achieved that what she wanted to achieve. That's the reason she is so well respected in society and in our country. That's the reason, because you stood for yourself.
Yeah.
So girls and women, if you stand for yourself, everybody will stand beside you, and we are there with you.
Everybody
We
will
love
follow.
you.
Yeah.
We love you. And we always love to help you, support you in every way. And you can just, even you have any trouble, you can put me message on my FB, on my personal chat, so that I can reach you out. So many women, they just chat with me, they put me their trouble, and then they come and they meet me, so I'm able to help them, not only here, even in the abroad. People, men and even women, they put me their numbers, and they tell me their problem. So I call them up when I get time, when I'm done with the meeting. Then I just talk to them, and I try to help them the max, and I support them.
So this is how it should be. If you have some power, you should use that power in helping others, not only yourself, but you should actually use that power in helping
Yes,
others.
that's true.
Yeah, that will help you grow more faster.
Yes, more faster.
Yeah.
And that way we can build our nation.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So this is what we both are
Planned.
doing it. And I told you, though she is not in our BJP party, but she always stands, because she wants to do something good for our nation. It's our nation. That's why. And you all, lovely and beautiful women, you are our sisters. You're always with us. We are always with you. Anytime, for anything, you can reach us, and we will help you. We will support you in every way. Do you want to say something?
No, I
Jan?
just wanted to say, I just wanted to conclude everything. Please, ladies, start taking care of yourself. Please be happy. We really look beautiful when we smile. So for
Yes.
that smile,
Yeah.
you need to be happy from inside, not only from outside. Yes, we are full of love, and we want to spread our love everywhere. But I think we should love ourselves first, so that we can genuinely love others. So love yourself and start doing what you want to, rather than pleasing everybody. And look at the change. The society will change, and our nation will change, and it will help us growing also. So take care of yourself. You are beautiful. Love you. Happy Women's
Yeah.
Day.
Happy Women's Day again. Thank you.
Thank you.